when I was learning about the Arduino, there is one video where you're talking about the Arduino, about this communication protocols like I2C and all.
Yes.
After learning that, we were when we had online classes as well, we were just learning about that also. So that helped me a lot. Like when she was teaching, I already knew what was going on, and
Oh,
it
great,
gave
great.
a very good idea about basic IoT and Arduino applications. And I actually enjoyed it. It was wonderful during this pandemic when nothing else was possible. This was a very good experience. So I thank you so much.